This is Coulee Mine Branch, just downstream from Johnston Street in Lafayette. We're looking from a footbridge that's next to Lewis Street. You can see from the slow movement of the trash going down the coulee that there is very little flow being carried by the coulee right now. Primarily it's being just filled, and the water can't go anywhere because Bayou Vermilion is at a high stage and there's just no place for the water to go. So this is what happens in our coulees. Normally this coulee in dry weather would be nearly dry. Now it's got what appears to be a few feet of water in it. So this is what happens to our drainage in Lafayette when we have a big storm. The Vermilion River stage rises. That stage is how high the water level is. And then the coulees can collect water, but they can't deliver it downstream. So that can cause flooding upstream of the coulees. Also, the water coming into the river can cause the river to flow backwards, and then backwater flooding can flood along the side of the river and also up the upstream tributaries of the river. Very often that sort of flooding really isn't considered in any kind of flood planning, because that sort of thing really doesn't happen in most places in the United States. It has to be very flat for that kind of backwater upstream flooding to be significant.